Want to automate Selenium, or if you want to launch a Selenium browser, then you have to do this. Open IDE, right click new, create new project, enter Maven project, and after entering this, you'll get this. After finishing this, you'll get M icon over here. It means to say this project is Maven, and you will find pom.xml, and this contains some detail. Right now, we are going to automate Selenium test case or using Selenium. Then we should have this dependency here, Selenium Java, and after that, this is the structure of this. Now we will be writing our test case in a test class. So we can create our class from here, and we can put our name of the class. Once the class is there, you will find this is the code of this WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, as we are going to launch our. So driver.get will navigate our page to this URL. Now how to execute this? We will right click on it and run as Java application. Within few seconds, you will see our browser gets launched, and this is how we have get